Hey guys, James saying. So today we're going to put in, it's called Shadow Light. I'll put down the company that I got it from. There we go, focus on that. It's so that your puddle light, instead of just being a light when you open the door, it's a Tesla. It's the Tesla symbol. So I've done one side. Well, let's take a look in the box real quick here. It gives you a package with 2 lights. You can buy a set of 2 or a set of 4. I've already taken one out because I installed it on the other side already. So we have this one light here, and it does have some instructions. All right, it comes with a set of instructions that basically say pry off the original light, disconnect the wire. Maybe it'd be easier to see here. Pry off the light, disconnect the wire, connect the wire. And they give you a little tool, but my little tool broke when I was trying to pry it off. Say boop, oh, so got a screwdriver. So let's see what that looks like. Well, let's see what the light. Let me close the garage door. We'll see what the puddle light looks like. I don't know if it's going to pick up on this one. So the puddle light, when you open up your car, it's just, it's a lighter area right here, as opposed to, you only really see it at night. When you open up the door, you got that. Now that is pretty cool, and it's much brighter. I like that a lot. So you can either have, that weak light that shows up over there, or you can have this really cool because, I don't know, I'm proud of my Tesla. Oh, it's crooked. I'm probably more proud of this car than get this fixed here. Probably more proud of this car than any car I've owned before. Let's get the garage back open. And then let's work on this other. I'll show you how this goes in on the other side. When you get up under the car, it's that light there. So we have to pry this off. And I'm going to try. Okay, so it still has that light. So I just take this screwdriver, go on one end or the other. Of course, you might want some goggles on. Stuff is going to fall down in your eye, maybe. And I just feel like I'm going to break it every time I take this off. So there, we've got that off. And we've got to disconnect this light. So it doesn't tell you so much, but there's a little push down. Let's see if I can switch hands. Let me lay this down. This cord seems kind of short, so it's kind of hard to get all this stuff out. But anyway, I can't get it to show up very well, but right here, not this whole thing here, but there's a little edge that's right here. You push down on that, and it pops out. As I struggle to make it pop out. So there's a push down tab. Push down tab right there. And so then we get the new light here. And this part, this female end, this only goes in, let's get this back. All right, this only goes in one way. So it's wider on the bottom, taller at the top. Wider at the bottom, taller at the top. This goes in right here like this, and then you gotta click it. You gotta click it. Now then, you wanna make sure that you put this, stuff the wire back up in there, make sure you put this in the right way. Let's take a look. So see right there, the Tesla light's upside down. So I don't want the light to go in that way. I don't want the Tesla light to be upside down. I don't know that you could like sit here and look at it and go, oh yeah, no, yeah, that end goes to the front of the door, back of it, or whatever. I don't know. So we'll take this and just, let me set this back down, turn this around, stuff all this up in here. And then before I get that up in there really well, which, well, I just popped it in there, but I knew that now I had it going the right way. And let's turn off the light. Or let's shut the garage door. Whoop, step on the flashlight. Shut the garage door so that we can see the light much better. All right, so I like that. I think that's a little cool. I'll put the price. It was like $20, I think, under 20 or under 25. So I'll put the link in the description above. Make sure I got that in there. Pretty easy to install. And not you know, the difficulty level's pretty low. So that is pretty darn cool. All right, guys, so there's the Tesla light. 20 bucks for a pair of two, $20, $25, somewhere around that. I think I got it off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. All right, guys, thanks a lot. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. It'll help my channel. And if you found the information helpful or useful, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you do, remember to turn on notifications so that you don't miss when the next video comes out. All right, guys, thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next video.